Carol the Microscope Lady, and I'm so excited to show you our Explorer kit today. This is the perfect kit for young children all the way through children at heart of all ages. Let's get started. For your kit, you get to choose if you prefer the 10 to 200x 1.3 megapixel model or the 10 to 200x 5 megapixel model. The 5 megapixel model makes a difference when you're enlarging, cropping, and taking photographs. You'll have a small stand in your kit. You'll also have a sturdy, adjustable metal stand that makes it easy to use. Our microscopes always come with the additional focus tips that allow you to pop off the 10 to 200x tip and replace it with the magnification tip of your choice. There's 50, 30, 15, this one is 100, and 200. The sturdy metal Z stand that's in here is perfect for allowing you to work hands-free, to draw and label while you're viewing your specimens, to solder, and just about anything else you can think of. Your Explorer kit is going to include a 6-piece display and collection set where you can take it outside and collect shells, sand, bugs, water, anything you want to bring in and look at. Makes it lots of fun. Also included is a live slide, which is the perfect way to collect your pond waters and view living protists. When you're viewing your specimens in your live slide, to help you understand them better, the Protist Pond Microlife book is perfect. You'll be able to see right away all about the specimens you're viewing, very clearly explained and easy to understand. Because we know you'll be so excited when you get this, we include for you a dozen different specimens to get you started right away. And of course, keep it all very well protected and portable inside the soft case that is included as well. We can't wait to hear about all the fun things you explore. Please send us pictures, videos, and let us know what you find in our exciting world.